DJ play that happy music. Make them play that happy music.
Hi TaySquad, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Bob. My channel is on health, lifestyle, and beauty. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I definitely recommend you hit that subscribe button down below, but also make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you see all the videos that I upload. And be sure to pay attention to the community tab, because there I post stuff about videos, but I also post polls in there to see actually what you guys want to see on my channel. So one of the polls that I recently did was I asked you guys if you wanted an apple cider vinegar recipe, or if you wanted the then versus now challenge, and of course you guys chose the apple cider vinegar recipe. So here I am, and today we're gonna be making a cherry mojito, and it's gonna be good. Okay, so stay tuned for the entire video. I do need your help. Okay, your girl is trying to grow her Instagram, and I do want to convert my YouTube subscribers to Instagram followers as well. So if you have not, be sure to follow me on Instagram at _RealSouthernBelle. I do post things there as well, so it's better to keep up with me both ways. Speaking different, or if my mouth looks funny or anything, I did have some dental work done, so just bear with me. But in today's video, we will be doing a cherry mojito. It sounds great, right? People want to drink apple cider vinegar, but it tastes horrible, it's nasty, it's not good. But I've come up with different recipes to help you guys enjoy the taste of apple cider vinegar even more. There is a playlist that I linked down below if you guys want to check out any other videos. So to make this cherry mojito, of course you're going to need the Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother. Here it is. You want to make sure you get this one with the mother, because it has all those awesome nutrients that we actually need. Now, if you hate drinking apple cider vinegar liquid and there's no way that I can convince you to drink it, then click the link down below and try the Goli apple cider vinegar gummies, y'all. They really taste like candy. Okay, so if you hate the taste of liquid apple cider vinegar, I have a solution for you. Click down below and get your apple cider vinegar gummies. It does the same thing, and go about your day. All right, so got my apple cider vinegar. And it is recommended that you have 1 to 2 tablespoons of this a day. You're also going to need some organic mint. Boom. You're going to need some water. You're going to need some just tart cherry juice. In this video, I'll be using the one by R.W. Knudsen. Just using some cherry juice. I got this at Walmart. And then I have some organic stevia. I always have my organic stevia on hand just to make sure that my drinks are sweet enough for my liking. You can sweeten this however you want. You can use as much or how little of the products as you want to. Some people use honey to sweeten theirs. It's totally up to you. I personally like to use organic stevia. And then you'll need some lemon juice. Boom. I got all of this from Walmart. You're gonna need some little lemon juice. Any kind is fine. You're gonna need a little measuring spoon. Boom. I got this to measure out my apple cider vinegar. You're gonna need a pitcher. If you want this to last like up to 2 to 4 days, I definitely recommend you make everything in a pitcher. That way you just get up and pour every day. That works for me. Or you can do a single serving if you choose to do so. And then you'll need some limes, of course. You can't have no mojitos without no limes, okay? Baby, these little limes are a little tough, okay? Jeez, it's like I'm fighting them. I basically have all my limes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it inside of my pitcher. And I am gonna squeeze as I put the limes in here, because I want my drink to be as mojito-like as possible, okay? Just squeezing and adding them in there. And you can use like a fruit squeezer. I don't have one to like squeeze the juice out of it. But you can definitely use that to make your life easier. But yeah, this is pretty much all I'm doing. Squeezing as I put the limes into the pitcher. Alrighty, so we're all good with our limes here. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add a dash of lemon juice. Just a dash. Boom. That is it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my stevia. I'm just gonna start out with 2 packets to start because that cherry juice is probably going to be sweet and tart at the same time, so I don't think I need too much stevia. But I'll just start off with 2 packets of this. All right, so we got the limes, we got the lemon juice, we got the stevia, and then got the lemon juice, and now we're gonna add the mints. And I'm just gonna add a few leaves of it. And I heard if you smash it together, it really brings out that mint flavor. I saw on Kimberly Sherrill and Jalen Mitchell's channel when they were making mojitos, they actually did this to make the flavor stand out a little more. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that as well to my drink. All right, so basically we have the foundation of the drink. And add this. Ooh, kind of smell like grape juice a little bit. All right. And because it is tart, I do want to go ahead and add some water. I'm just using some Sam's purified drinking water to my mix just until it's all the way full. I don't even think I need the other water bottle, to be honest. I think this is enough. Yep, I think that should be good. Now, normally for the apple cider vinegar, I do like to use 1 to 2 tablespoons of this stuff per 8 to 10 ounces of water. But for today's video, we have a lot more water, so I'm actually going to use about 6 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and add it to my drink. And I already kind of shook this up because I want to make sure that I get those wonderful nutrients of the mother. If you do not know, apple cider vinegar has wonderful effects, y'all. It helps with diabetes, cholesterol, weight loss, digestion, like everything. Okay, everything you possibly could think of, apple cider vinegar can cure that. It even helps with the hair, it helps with acne. So if you guys need help with your weight loss, digestion, or anything like that, I definitely do recommend you guys drink apple cider vinegar. So let's go ahead and give this bad boy a stir. Right, so I'm stirring this thing up. And limes are great as well, y'all, for weight loss and just speeding up that metabolism, and it burns a lot of fat. So you definitely want to make sure that even if you do just drink plain water, that you add limes to it and lemons, because it really will help your weight loss journey as well. Go ahead and give this a little taste test. Woo. Woo. Y'all, it is tart. It's really tart. I'm going to add just a little bit more water to this. And then I'm going to add 2 more packets of my stevia. So I don't want it super tart. This is my first time using the limes in it. So I think that's what's kind of making the difference here. It's very like, whew. That's definitely better. It needs to be toned down just a little bit. And this is basically it. Like, you just put your cover on it. You just get you a nice little glass. And you have you a glass of this apple cider glass. And that's basically 1 glass of ACV does the job a day, and that's pretty much it. I do have a link below where you guys can try out more of my apple cider vinegar recipes. I hope this recipe was cool and fun, and I wish you guys much luck on your weight loss journey. And if you're not on a weight loss journey, y'all, apple cider vinegar is good for overall health. So whether you're trying to get better digestion or just better metabolism, you definitely want to make sure you pick up some apple cider vinegar with the mother. And again, if you hate the taste of apple cider vinegar, click the link down below. I do have some apple cider vinegar gummies, and I have a special coupon code for you guys if you choose to try out those apple cider vinegar gummies, because it does the same thing. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I hope you hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see y'all later.